Okay, here is why false fire alarms are dangerous and cause a big problem. The reason why false fire alarms are problematic is because they cost money and they cost the economy and productivity, and they will cause you to evacuate for no reason. And false fire alarms put people's safety at risk because the fire department will have to respond to a non emergency, and there could be another emergency somewhere else, and people somewhere else are dying. And if this keeps happening, people in the building are going to be in real danger because they are going to ignore the fire alarm going off and assume it's another false alarm, but the building can actually be on fire and everyone will die because they didn't believe the alarm was real. This is like the boy who cried wolf. Remember the boy who cried wolf? There was no wolf, but the boy kept crying and crying. And one day, when there was a wolf, the boy got bitten. The same thing happens with false fire alarms. People don't take the fire alarm seriously and assume it's another false alarm, but the building can actually be on fire and everyone will die because of all of these false alarms. The good news is that we have the technology to prevent false fire alarm incidents in buildings. We have stopper covers over pole stations. To prevent people from pulling the fire alarm for fun, because the stopper covers have an alarm that sounds when you lift them, and that alarm is there to grab attention that someone is about to pull the fire alarm as a prank, and they will either run away or put it back because the person is looking at it. Stopper covers prevent fire alarms from being pulled for fun, and fire alarms are only pulled in a real fire, a fire drill, or a fire alarm system test. And we need to locate smoke detectors away from high humidity and heat sources. We need to fix all of the troubles on the alarm system that is giving off false alarms. We need to protect alarm wires from precipitation or severe weather so the alarm doesn't get tripped. There's a lot we need to do to stop false fire alarms from occurring so people can take the real alarm seriously, and it's going to save their life, and that will leave fire departments to deal with people that are in more serious trouble. Bye.